Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal on Kraken. While Kraken does not directly accept PayPal, you can easily use an indirect method to fund your account. This involves a simple two-step process, ensuring your funds are transferred safely and efficiently. We will guide you through each stage, making sure you understand how to bridge the gap between your PayPal balance and your Kraken account. The first step is to fund your personal bank account using PayPal. Begin by ensuring your bank account is securely linked to your PayPal profile. Once linked, initiate a transfer of the desired amount from your PayPal balance directly to your bank. This process is straightforward and usually takes between 1 and 3 business days for the funds to become available in your bank account, ready for the next step. Now that your funds are in your bank account, it is time to deposit them into Kraken. Log into your Kraken account and find the funding section. Choose a bank transfer option that supports your currency, such as a SEPA transfer for euros or a wire transfer for US dollars. Carefully enter Kraken's provided bank details into your online banking portal to complete the transfer, ensuring all information is accurate. Before finalizing your transaction, always double-check all transfer details to prevent any delays or errors. Be mindful of any potential fees that your bank might charge for outgoing transfers, as well as any deposit fees Kraken may apply. Kraken deposits typically process within 1 to 5 business days, so plan accordingly. This indirect method provides a reliable way to use your PayPal funds on Kraken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.